Oh, nsuo no hwie gu a ɛnyina so hɔ ne mmienu nyinaa wotumi nsu ɛma ne yi sanse mu sɛ sɛ nsuo hwie gu ma nsuo no wiase a ɛbɛtumi asa bi ɛtumi ɛsa ɛma ne yi ɛno nti ɛna Opemsuo radio say ɛdu ne mi nda nko ade a Amoawisi dwumadie ɛde bɛbrɛ wo live on Facebook and I think so Opemsuo radio na also so o ya abofra na obetimi nsunsua nneema bebree afiri ho na yonso so yesua de onso de ban so afiri ho na afiri we kan nyina bo ma abayin komedi ama ya bra bo sanse abrabo no bo ne du baabi na dane na wantimi anya ho hwea is a very painful a chese ebe ha onipa bra bo bebree kwa ye kan se de abrabo ne tie de a agise to da ye fa efutu na etimi de boya bra se de beya daache yenim enkugu ase ewa abrabum eniti ena papa enyum ya na mani jewu na me bosse tie bi na wo tie bi a obehu de ekoso bia ewa abrabum enenso me ma no eda so ewo de ma chese ne de bibia na mo kana iro mu se de bi ebeko brofo de bi beko twije se omani abrepa se twi no tire so ba so de nara ombusua ama twi no ehun se de ade nti afei me mama so ha David ya no so be my commentary na me mama no so ayire won hu anne no omo ba chirim se de ade bia no esitie ama no ai kama nti me yin ofidie no emfiri ha ene entra mo fa mo free no age so ofie se yes ante na bisa tin wo he manum paano no wo he ole medi na wedi obeka cho de emi kete na chede muchu abai nti bo madinara na ofu no wo baza adi tie radio no ma wadu nya wo de retain radio no dama obeya adachi wa babo be efe nampre me twem bebi ni hia na atomuhu aka cheme de mama pat hello namshima ajido hello my kiddy booms echede adina kama at that time no na ma hwe abrabo me mudampa iye futufu ate futufu nso na futu no bo bra ma edisiwe nti nyame onsha bebre kache o ma no ene obi asa omungada ewo Opemsuo radio ene ahabe de papa yada mase bebre kwa yetwi ankechuwa bi ba ye baba bebo video bi ye bo video no it concerned omo a screen school onko fufo ene saade no bebre na jai bebre kofom nti ama ehu ni sebi school no eniyama omo yomo eso ate nti ekobasa more stories abete bra screen school for na school I think say nyame admechra bebre beko biso edikan ekodada na yemisa se omoda so eye enema we omoda so kabom sa sesabi nya na yechiro binyasa na mu migidi se headmistress for no etie dia ekoso na I think say bebre no ebemu se say na wo se yetimi esan kofa sanse sankofa owe yenchinti ni ayene sa nti ye twa ho kechuwa bi ye baba bevo video no ama obi atibi those are going to school SS1 na omuko nwuram na SS1 SGS SS1 no ni ahwe omabrabo kwa befa so ye no mbekasa nti me you ofidie no emfiri ha edin dada no amunim na semanse woman mama part ena menimo ekasei ene me man wife papa I like to see colors like this esa na mani age enti entwi ehomra na ye beba befa video no na yabo pese yebetie mu nsam na wi ana yekuticha ho na etimi ene mofra no adwendwene ho things you must know wobra nyame awadma oko ss no enti yebetie video no even if it's acting on Facebook we are fine yeah that's it.
Equal rights. Have no right to tease anyone by what the person does, especially the right things. And you intend to tease someone, it will not work here. Probably there were some things you were doing at the JHS level, especially when you found yourself as seniors, JHS 3. Boss, you are at a different place. You cannot tease anyone by the person's physique, the person's size, the height, he speaks, probably there are some few of us who have challenges. We are practicing an inclusive form of education. So no one, and when the seniors come, they are aware already that they have no right to bully anyone, let alone try to bully your own mate. It will not work here. And so all of you are being warned. Those boys have written their statement already. They are not 1 week old. Statements as to whether we bring in their parents or not. We are yet to decide. But they now are ambassadors to ensure that there is equity, there is fairness. Everyone should feel comfortable in the school. Management, staff, we are not going to make your stay here uncomfortable. So we don't see why mates or seniors should make your stay here uncomfortable. We will not countenance that. I hope I've made myself clear. And that we will not have that report again. So we'll see whether we can spare them somehow.
Good morning, Mama Fa. Nyame adom. And then so you better nyame ase say. Ode afe baako aka on fio. Ti de nyame ase party your mo fra no nya ready mo beto happy birthday nyom. Mama party.
Going back to Mofrana Eco School, things they must know and things they must do and not to do. We can do some don'ts. This out of Nevada. I'm share. Sebi, Yentopa, Sebi, Assembly or say, or say, Mofrana Su, say, Eco School, or 2 senior 4A. Who is senior class? We are called, say, Mr. Secretary, or say, treat everybody equal. Just say, who can sell, who
be.
So, boy, I need to matter yes. Nothing as now you do almost pay. So, you must the come any brainer, life in the school.
You ready to see your more friend, almost free JHS, Elco. Senior high school no bo ni beka say freshers and just say omo free omo system omo school and e call different school and maybe bibia say change ba aya na din we change free one environment akọ another environment I say feel kura u too free feel bim akọ feel bim no aya na we say dem me dem kai na time be by and na social media and I'm ho obi omo senior high school no omo call university no now or the trouble so akoto to gare ni ni dunia de just say no just senior high school subana no they call university ho obi a free high school equal university and now the high school for na am the troubles na the guy any near big university how this idea na pie ho and say I had a engine is how I had enti say enkola no free JHS akọ senior high school and I say free senior high school akọ university you want to say be a ma na we na your concentration your mom free JHS eco senior high school no enti school no one she say be eno no so share guidance and counseling no be na nkra bata baako aye friend no orientation enti eno no say and she say any say school for no e free old environment, new environment, by JHS to na say a boa woman no a boa nyina no ne kasa kire wo mo this means why I know hall
okay
and now one day program so ebi mu ye no 1 week ebi kura be the whole time
okay
kakra na ye enti sa enhye no enu na se yehia mu a ye kire nkwada no even compound hokura geography in terms of geography no library hen science lab hen wo fa hara be kwakosi hin wo fa hara kwakosi hin administration we hen enti acheche omu nyina na geographically no obia hu ba bia opemwa bia obenya nti ewia ne abo omo academics so sefa so omo adisua courses on be books or mo behia na say mo go timetable and share timetable school ho
school ya ni akra no ndo kodi na okudu school mo no ma no asan be fia den say yes re mass no be in book it is only timetable bia very bad
and your church o mo nyina in terms of academic timetable no say say ebo 7 day na eso ye ebo 8 day na eso ye subject awo nyina say enkura na omba foforo no yetimi kire wo mo se na be
ya sam to amekoko ka kire no
omo ni omo tonto na afin susu no your counseling session ye ma wo mo
okay
say bullying ya the story na wo ka say akwada no osuri in fact change of environment heading to mo kwa nkwara na ehun wo mu no say guidance and counseling na wo school ho no omutimi ekasa kire nkwara no mutimi yi hu free wo mu
bia ben jeche so ko ya na
ko environment na asesa and niema no so na wusua no DHS no na obeto aso e wo high school enti ensesa kakra bia na abam ehun bia nim eti guidance and counseling na wo school so e fa mo etekisa rowe shem kola ne din in terms of mental attitude omo she omo din na ema omo ni e ka wo school ho na empempi no so no san kola ne ba fufuru sei na aya na seniors na omo no omo di kan no omo be so omo che so omo ye seniors
na senior den
enti emre sisa no nyina no eniema nso sisa enti sei nkola no ebe school a ye pese obi e involve participatory learning no eni kwa say ye yi obi kayaka dia na hu bi na afekura wontimi nkoye bibi ni nyina no say no modern Ghana
na so na mo de bai
ye yi ni nyina say de na ye head mistress kan sa akola bia timi nya adwene mu fine free odi edition
we on betretwa
na bu na no so na seniors no mode ye enkola no say no munjai na mum no munkyerɛkyerɛ wo mu nima bia sese wo mu hu beboa wo mu na mu wo
bia fa ba kokora nkeye no bi sapo ye fence tie no akasa
ni nyina no eze no za nima asesa dia ese no so ne fa kwan foforo so na yetimi
I don't know why ya teachers no wan
eka school mu ho enti yeah kana we no sa guidelines and casting sa branch we na make us orientation schools ni bi ebi susu nye ebi susu ntene o mo ho nye so ho nti brano na nkora na ba foforo se
mo jo mo prae na mo nyoma
o se ye di ya sadie na ye kyerɛkyerɛ o mo ne mo mo ni ka school ho because ade na obesua no adwene no nti se ye bibia abema adwene no atochima na say obey depress ana bibia etisana adesua no enkoyi nti ne na Opemsuo Amoawisi mama pata daro ma yafa de ato ye ho so say ye be kyerɛkyerɛ school mpanimfo ene Ghana etwe o madwene siso say sa de hia papa ya ni kwa say ye bu ye ni gusu na enkola ye o maba foforo SSS 1 for ye mo na o mani e kan school na adesua enso ekoso enti ade ba kon so say o maba foforo say no fine ye be church o mo niema you say but say entertainment kakra so ye den ebem enti e wa di bi o ha e be no so no nkora no betimi da jejeje o mani a na no so no ya mo no ma ye refresh
that's
clubs are hold or na ya church or no matimi adwan
that's it teacher me kai say school B and maybe na mo fani free ngeto mu ko mo sa I remember me nya bofa ba ko na mde ne koi yedu wo no mo bonyum mo de speakers asisiwo na mo bonyum na de so ababa bi abesa nti to free them so they be to entertain them
tension bia
every almost so omo ma de na too much that's SK that's papa nya Michelle ye mo fa no ha sister pacho mumra na obia mfa na konya kama na afi poems no yenkoso ntentem so ne tse Emmanuela betrase na yeboa na birthday nyumba ya
happy birthday
muda moto ba bi da betamade o isen no kwala ebe wey tension ebini birthday ya ebo
Apostolic Golden Jubilee School yetia ye nyame adom mama part youth the coach for
the winner kana watibi
ne nyame adom wode afi baako aka mama part mfie ho na yenso so sene mama part ye daachi hu hia no na da bia wo kyerɛkyerɛ no ye ni hwe ye beto happy day nyum baako ade ahyɛ
wayi no ho so ni hwe
na nyame na ye tumi nyina na nyame so nhyira yes we nyame nhyira de amamti happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 May God bless you now. 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 Hip, 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 hip. Hooray!
Thank you. Yamin Shamu, baby. Yes, poems. Mama yanko and ten. Maybe I know program sim. Into Mama yanko tentem. Yeah, SDA4 bibeba. Aba representation bi omunyu ha nti yenko ne tente sere be ya ye be no yebetimi capture bibia kama. Yes my dear, who is the next person? Do dika my brofo. Yes sister, I want to sing Adom Bacha Yonkoi.
Hello everyone, welcome to Opemsuo Radio 104.7. I'm Kanedwa Bojopoku from Apostolic Golden Jubilee, and today I'm here to recite a poem, and it's entitled All About Life. In this life, we cannot always do great things, but we can do small things with great love. Negative people will always try to drag you down to their level. Love them, but rise above them. We sometimes give so much that we end up losing ourselves. Never expect, never assume, never ask and never demand. Just let it be. If it's meant to be, it will happen. Be vigilant and think big. Life may not be the party we hope for, but once we are here, we should dance. Forget your weaknesses. Think courage. Act like it's impossible to fail. Forget what hurt you in the past, but never forget what it taught you. But remember, if you have knowledge, let others light their candles in it. Thank you.
Thank you. If you have knowledge, I don't quite meet the papa. Be morning, dear, near dear, so many dear see. About bonnet, they are better what do. In Tibra Musu say, a Cheramunoma, a Daniel, near Daniel, dia wo pesa wo ye ni no ye pesa wo ye nti ebe dane enu ma wa bamu esa wo koso a na ben ti ben ni wo nim de ode be ma ati ase mama me obi a wo ni de no na nso on fa ma no be kan wase men sa ni pa no onye ni papa nyame nhyira wo. Yes my dear.
Mechacha mo mempanimfo metiefo ne machuachuafo me a meginae medin de Emmanuel ayayeboa manwensem a mebeke yato ne din se ahoofedua meye bibini enye bibini ara kwase mifra santimampo kontonchi eboa ehimekuma na nanim tiketu esom dayepa tuntum seyo ahoofe sikensio krokro ase joben me na okra sika free intonso behwe mahoofe mahofenti obi apema asem nipa nyina ni jeme medamo ase
Emu utini di sha nema wo na do so mo oyade wakan asem. Yes odo
Mchachia mo mempanifo metiefo machirachirefo me a megina he medin di Emmanuel Edu manyensa ma mebeke yato ne din se akwaba wana tawa kokokokoi wana shon se sika kokoi eyo no a onyame agwama obenche bo onyame an ho bo atijei ajase yanhia ajeman berima no odi awisi berima no okun fadom okun yadom okun wakofo okun dade abatakari banini waba oni abodi atenka abozam so onyame banini amansan bo si akon ne tikodi a chemei befi akonko sibrekete a wi pebre susu a utwa eso okwada ma abo sesechira nkoba nini waba medamas
dawase papa hey manu atiye ediye kan sama nyame nsham nkoso a na munkram mu de musuade de bie besia no bo bibra mo de be ma oman Ghana. Yes ebe fa ya duswe eye inua weba na obema documentary enti owaha history historical year out be my nyina no owa onyina kune na yento aso wo bra etwe ho kitua bi ye bape na fe ye wura no baye krado na yedi ade ne ko nya wadwen se obema obi ho akire no den esa ebe ha adwen frimpom memo akwaba memo akwaba memo akwaba frimpom
Chama Joso.
Yena.
Yena.
Mpo akwaba.
Yena.
Na wuti say.
Chama adom.
Eni di munye mic ni mame. Nyame adom nsume huye papa. Nsume huye. Yenko mame.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Opemsuo Radio 104.7. My name is Estelle Frimpong. Today, I'm here to present to you some two important historical sites in Ghana. We will first talk about the Bewa Palace. Bewa Palace was named after the patriarch of the Molidabani people called Na Bewa or Bawa, who left Buin with some of his followers to settle at Pusiga in the northeastern corner of Ghana, where he ruled until he became blind. Nanyaksi, who succeeded Na Bewa's son, Sutobu, is believed to have built the palace in 1400s. He embarked on a war of expansion and established his capital at Yani in Dabari near Tamale, where he developed a political organization by skinning his son, brothers and uncles as rulers over his subjects. The importance of the Bewa Palace: 1. It served as a seat of government for the people of Dabon. 2. It also served as a ceremonial ground for the people of Dabon. Second historical site, the Assin Mansu slave site. Assin Mansu is a town located in the central region of Ghana. Assin Mansu is located 40 kilometers from Kumasi, and it is located along Kumasi Cape Coast Highway. The town is well known as slave market and slave cemetery during the slave trade. Following the capture of Elmina Castle by the Dutch in 1637, Elmina Castle came to serve as a place for the Dutch slave trade with the Brazil and the Caribbean. It was during this slave trade that Assin Mansu was used as a place for the last bat of the slave trade, a cemetery and a slave market as well. The importance of the Assin Mansu slave site: 1. It served as a storage site for the people of Dabon. 2. It also serves as it reminds us of the evil of the slave trade. Thank you.
Thank you, Mumo Musamano. Do you know why I said Mumo Musamano? She was not holding a book. I'll be her so. There was Shiana. Are you a Northerner? Are you a Northerner? Debbie, Annie. Answer me. So, who come from quarantine? No. Yes, sir. Matthias said, any about nurse waha. Tiadunku. Jose. Okay. Let them come. Na omumekan saminche ninti. Wada nasasa. Yenye den. Nkrani ni die shia na ni die adwo. Da se Antiness, Reginus, Frederica, and so a while. Unless for my mom watching.
Yeah, ma.
Unless for no one to think thing.
But you know.
Okay. Yanko Pondom. Mama ain't here, the more Emma, you're free.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Opemsuo Radio 104.7. I'm Frederica Inshapia, your radio nurse from Apostolic Golden Jubilee located at Ashtown. Today, I'm going to talk about the respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us to breathe in fresh air and supply oxygen to all parts of our body through the blood. Respiration is the process whereby our body uses oxygen to burn food to give us energy. When we breathe in, oxygen enters our body through the nose. The organs in the respiratory system are the lungs, nose, and windpipe. Functions of the organs in the respiratory system. The nose. The air we breathe enters our body through the nose. The nose filters the air and removes dust particles from the air. 2. The trachea or windpipe. The trachea takes in and brings out the trachea, the air we breathe. The trachea takes the air we breathe into and out of the lungs. 3. The lungs. The lungs are the main organs of the respiratory system. The purpose of the lung is to bring oxygen into the body and remove carbon dioxide. Thanks for listening to Opemsuo Radio 104.7. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Opemsuo Radio 104.7. My name is Comfort Boachura, and today we are going on an exciting journey to explore the beautiful tourist site and the rich history of Ghana. Let's go. 1. Kokrobite Beach. Kokrobite Beach is one of the popular branches around the world and a good place to be for relaxation. It is 30 kilometers away from capital Accra. The presence of the African music and art, founded by drummer Mustafa Tete Adi, makes the beach lovely all time. Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park is located in Accra and was dedicated to the first president of Ghana. It is a resting place for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah and his wife, Fatia Nkrumah. It also houses some personal effects and publications to the first president of Ghana. Lake Volta. Lake Volta is the head of the largest man-made. It's one of the beautiful places to visit in Ghana. It was formed as the construction of the Akosombo Dam. Thank you for listening to Opemsuo Radio 104.7, and I will see you next time for more exciting adventures. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Opemsuo Radio 104.7. My name is Brittany Gia, and today I'm here to present to you some historical sites in Ghana. We will first talk about Paga Crocodile Pond. Paga Crocodile Pond, it is located in the northeast border of Ghana. Here, crocodiles live in peaceful coexistence with human beings. Many tourists fly to witness the rare occasion where humans and crocodiles can live in harmony. 2. Akosombo Dam, in the heart of Ghana, on the almighty Volta River. The Akosombo Dam often refers to as the Volta Dam. This massive hydroelectric project has a beyond of progress and controversy. It stands a monumental feat of human engineering. under the leadership of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the first Prime Minister and President of Ghana. It's a story that continues to shape Ghana's future. It took 4 years to build between 1961 and 1965, sitting on the Volta River at 124 meters tall and 660 meters long. The dam is about 375 feet. Thank you.
Thank you. That's Papa say much winning na mode atoho amai se de beya yenso so ibehu baby a enioma ededededededede afi ekwan ada ho se yewo talk show ya yemofra no eba be eye ede a kire je se mo ammo nsem mamo ho na ya na mo nsem mamo ho ne sa anye mo nsem. Yes, my dear, come forward. You particular, I want to speak to you. Although Tanasi, now we in one. Now when I withdraw, I'm here, Kasa. Kasa and Kasa, no Kasa na. Oh, Jai Kakakrebia na Urefi. Hope you understand, Elio. Any onions when Elio. It's okay. Your first and best audience are coming in Akusitri, your school, your age, and what you are here for. Living in Ambasoka.
Facho, Befleme, Emoyaba, because school Apostolic Golden Jubilee, because school Apostolic Golden Jubilee more or Kumasi, Ashtown. Yeah, and Nebia book, Yabiaha, Jakeyava. Yabia Hajakeyava Addition more Yabaha ke is Kelesukwa de Bie. Say Kake Elesukwa de Bia. Inzebiale Ezukale. Motene Yabia de Biechi Yava Ezukale. Madam.
Your kind of chasing.
Pacho mpesa mitre say your friend me Yaba Anzima.
Ba kuna mube kandi oka edika nyamete.
Pacho Yabeka Safa Addition.
Addition biti saying.
Addition biti say Yesuya Adiafa if ye diani suku mudiani babia ubeko biadi.
You also yenzimani.
Pacho
one tradition bene ya ufe ya udepa.
Your tradition. Pacho, your traditional am a fepa a kundumino, said your omoje kundumino pa, I am a fepa. Mini, say, mini chrome, say I'm a shelmo, a TikTok, a beer honoma, almost said your omoje, almost see omohono, I am a fepa, any asa, almost a friend, abisa, and so I am a fepa.
And I am watching out to me, sir.
I just one botchinia, utmia kakra by searching no a woman pa.
What's a bida?
Sana, Pacho debi by minim diemuno, yet de aniana a wolf from no one. Now, what the asa say be ya, upushu 9 wolf from, say be ya, a man with me ako, amasa na kama.
Oh, vision.
Pacho me won't fear me were 13 years.
Yes, 13 years one, what is on? Mate. Ending adi also 13 na wo no me dem agedi nti echi na be frɛ no am ebisa no ebi an refi no ho na ugina sen
pacho mo form 2
nti ansa na be shade suana se no den na den zima e ka kye nzima fo nkola na omutie na omo obi wo a opefutu bi kakra about school life. Then I'll catch you.
Yo, mom, a chi mom baramaha, and me ke beba hula zukwa de bie, la babma banyeba who school more bella cornias school, or need be more or lazy. School ne, ebla yesi, mutisawa me for co school near, but more than care about hula, while who school was zukwa de bie, while I penny in pali.
I just say school no, a babu brabo. It is a all for the school. Bon modern say ubishian de no be penimpa was it not? Yes I now kind correct for 1 point so I catch you me nko fubi e Canada na me re na afi omo ba ko omo e lawyer Kenya family omo do askwa omo ye nzimafo mama chi na mama ju me chia mo papa ano mini abema free mu oh omba wa homachi wo de kura de mkasem kon so de bachi who say the whole day teacher one classes mate odo yenkoi
Michiamo wetiefo ni adofo me mama kwa baba Opemsuo showbiz 104.7 me a meti bedwem edia mejeswa ni me bisade nanso betimi afre mi mevi ene ye bekasa fa ade ba ko ehu hia megidi se ebeboa me na abro schoolfuo nyina enya me nko na me ba bedi sa adwuma we me ni minuanom mba na ba bedi minuan me mama kwa abawo
Yo ya Josie nya ba mevi
etiefo bepese wo hu nipa me ne won wa ha ene
yo me da se minuaba me a family ya amuzu me ko school Apostolic Golden Jubilee School ewo Kumasi me gina pen wochi
Nsume da ase your friend me Benita be maboate me ko school Apostolic Golden Jubilee me gina pen wochi
minua me mama kwa abo ene ba bekasa fa de ba kwa ehu hia ebeboa imebunu ne eskuufuo nyina ti minua ba lili se kasa adesua edien ni adesua
Akwasi Bruni Beka say learning is a cognitive process of acquiring knowledge and skills. Ewo majin shiremu no eye kwan a ye fa so nya nimdie.
Sa pepepe. Nti se wo chirema anya adesua nko ane se obetina school dem.
Sa na me pa atwe me nuaba.
Yo minya ba na wonswe
min so de me waka no say ebi mun so sua ade efiri won awofo ho atrɛtrɛfo eni won nanfofo eni abɛfo ntentan fidie so
ti se ye school fue kwan ben so ne befa so esua ade
Yo me nuaba ye kwan bebra ye fa so sua ade obi ane kwan a ofa so sua ade a e kan itrim impo ebi mu sua ade free omawofo nchen ne omatrɛtrɛfo nchen se de me nuaba Benita kan
mo abra na wo kasa no oka se ubo abɛfo ntentan ti kwan ben so na abɛfo ntentan beboa ye wo yadesua mu eni
ebetimi aboa ya pa me nuaba ennemrem ye de abɛfo ntentan sua de a eboa ya ma ye hu ni ntem ti se ye de your phones sua de na nyina eboa ya ma ye timi hu
na nioma ben so na se ade ben ne ebe ya ebe mayo ebe boa ya mayo tumi esua ade
se ti se mi se me de me papa phone na ye homework na me sa de sua ade ofie enu sent no mitimi ti homework na se mi sua ade so me ti ase ntem yo YouTube chat GPT any applications bebo ho a ye de sua ade e ma no boaye
yo minua ba me da ase ansa ne be free ha se yakono mo bibi a mo pese mo ka kire tiefo ana
Yo me nuaba ade asem ketu ametimi aka kire me nuanum sukuufo ene se adesua enna from eno nso a enyemre enti no kakra ametimi aka ne se ye be ma ani akọ adesua no so na yetimi twa ye nsohwe no
minua ba na wonso o asem bi ana
nso kakra me de be kan ho ne se mama yan fa your phones na ye ICT tools no ensua de na be boa ye daach
me de tiefo nyina ase minua ba minua ma mo so medamase sa abra me frem no ma ntoto mo na ase na mo baaye me de tiefo nyina nso so ase
yada mase mamunko bi antena mo ba mo kra mo amon papa no
pacha
sembe program
pacha
into wo ma no papa di na me nto nkra why
pacha
yam den kran wo ma no yes
pacha me chia mame Mary akosi aboate o TCPC oye adwuma wo Apostolic
okay
me papa Samuel Kofi Boate ɔno nso te CPC ɔyɛ adwuma wɔ Kolinak Heba
Kolinak
Pachan
tu bona mane
Pachan
ajane na yere mpacho mate de ekoso I mean say I like the fact that you use papa phone and you homework and I wish senka parents would do same thing because papa phone there you can't go beyond or on tiase ma papa na ni ate papa on to phone ma na wo dia e de ope but homework ne bad here obeda ni ama because o need be to hide what I say said mu kwan cheme we need get bi e na akase me ba be hu almost no akase me ba be hu intino oh he's a good father honestly my penasem minimum but my penasem so I know
Kolinak Heba
and I see you bi
Samuel Kofi Boat
eja Samuel you are sharp papa na onyo kese enya fo na man da why we need the odc bia enti se oba fama no fa nyu wi adwo koda na asem fa na asem nko oba fama no wi adwo koda oh papa Samuel you won't shout me gidi say papa no bebrebe so na omo hia yi na aboy bebrebe da say be jai fo ama omo kra ba ku bi oho ne WhatsApp biara e fa ne papa de so na eba nti ntumi fa hwe mfa so yes other hosts
Mechia me Mama Rebecca de.
ne bia mama ni kan chia papa nza yes
Mechia me Mama Rebecca de a otikuro from after so mechia me papa Daniel osai ade a onu nsusu tikuro from
nti nkraba na ade mo nso nsu phone your own personal phone
Pacho
say usa kwa ka che da se so onye na ono monitor phone ma wosre so onye ana do you have anything to hide
Pacho de
there be so why nti give it to him say that maybe you makama ba je me wi am bebra ma de ato what I say nyamisha host yes my mesma
Pacho me se me chia me mame owo Ashtown me sa chia me papa ono so Côte d'Ivoire
ntu ye Côte d'Ivoire plus fine inzma ntu what Côte d'Ivoire kasa
first na me se by same nti
say what to try nti o ma me friends
in friend Mary Edu ana papa say friend no Alex Amuzo Alex
okay enya Auntie Mary ne papa Alex mate mo ba no ya na me pese mutimi tie to na nkwara no eyusu no I don't say anything but one kasa sebi eburu wanye fia bibi koswa you should be able to know say me bai kasa idie ujina say antinma
Ochemo form 2
ada na mzim bai kasa idea osremi ushia anasa na o ma me kasa na ukasa
Pacho mi nsia san me kasa
ndin kasa sa ndu ya kwala wo ban si nsia sa na kasa
Pacho de
nti wo ba soro no ene e wo fe no apekenye za
Pacho
madam for boy na ya no sen
Pacho madam for
ada na mani aje mi o me bia na jina class
ya class boys ne tupe
on kasa o mo
mi kasa mo
so mo nyina o kasa o mo to ni nyina kasa o mo nyesa
Pacho
we for area friend we anso
we area friends
oh be ma
Debbie
man
baba akupe
baba akupe but you use friends I just want to know the said you see kasa no be episode dikosi is it a model or what mbese me
Pacho me model
enya natural they all enya natural so I just want to know say how fena usia so be kasa sa
Pacho
sa
eya me share talk shows no said
you want a free back on
Pacho
okay yeah that's papa I don't know money aje some me be free back na ne ma me tie ya no ba bia sabi ne ba no emie na ho na okasa ne se ma no ne sabi ne se ano no ba bia efiri because we 13 years na say mbe so bi o ma me hu se bia o sin kala o se ya na se ya dia ni nyina so ehia wo de ko because when it happens this ways sometimes kafra mama bit me approach o mo nya de nsɛm bi waka kyerɛ ɔmo nti na ama ɔmo develop da nti sɛ wodi na yɛ hɔ na yɛ top show and I will share with TV. Do you want to become like me? And as I say,
Patron, and I feel some person me a dancer, meaning sounds so.
When you say, you're many about more bit master.
Patron, you be a can't say I can't rapping snake to say Michael Jackson more than
rapping. Oh, dear, how you are doing it? So I didn't. I'm saying. But in the man, but it didn't understand. But choco. Say no, I don't know what to be a sir. Well, you patch of shaman, Fisherman, a two mamma, Nebra, your Bako news. If we news pay near that is and a choco, Matia, and a minia or Moka at the farm. On some of me, so Yabako Sunaya, my sister. Eyin na ase na obi ehun bi enko adma chede ensheda but train up said the oppressor you know but mananye ekwampa so what you say yeah that's papa.
Good afternoon, listeners, and welcome to the news at 12. We are live on Opemsuo Radio 104.7 Mesha Kumasi. You can also follow us live on our social media handles, Facebook and Instagram. I am Lodina Prekwamponza, and I am here with my sisters,
Frederica Inshapia and Lorisha Bwachidankwenimako.
Now the headlines. Former President Akufo-Addo meets MPP presidential aspirants.
Former First Lady Nana Akufo-Addo Rawlings has passed on at age 76.
One person shot dead during Odra clash at Ashurasi.
Ebola outbreak in Democratic Republic of Congo.
Over 1,000 people has been killed in a landslide in Sudan.
In Nigeria, bandits have raided communities around Kano.
Accra Heart of Hope continues their unbeaten run in the Ghana Premier League. Now the news in details. Former President Akufo-Addo meets MPP presidential aspirant to rally the party for victory ahead of the 2026 primaries and 2028 general elections. He encouraged them to conduct their campaigns in a healthy manner without insult and wished each candidate well in their endeavors.
The former First Lady and the founder of 31st December Women's Movement, Her Excellency Mrs. Nana Akufo-Addo Rawlings, passed on early morning of Thursday, October 23rd, after a short illness at the Accra Regional Hospital. Nana Akufo-Addo last public appearance was at the Dotier of the late Asante Hima, where she paid respect to His Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II. May her soul rest in eternal peace.
One person was shot dead and others injured following a shooting incident linked to a chieftaincy dispute at Ashurasi, near Eburi in the Ekriapem South District of the Eastern Region. The public relations officer for the Eastern Regional Police Command, Superintendent Ebenezer Tete, confirmed the incident and said the police command has arrested 34 persons and launched investigation into the matter.
The President, John Dramani Mahama, has declared 3 days of national mourning in honor of the former First Lady Nana Akufo-Addo Rawlings, recognizing her dedication to human empowerment and national development. The government extends its deepest condolence to the family, her children, and all who mourn this irreplaceable loss. And now, international news. Over 1,000 people have been killed in a landslide in Darfur region of Sudan. The landslide was triggered by a heavy rainfall in the rainy season. All the residents of the village were killed except one survivor.
Bandits has reportedly raided communities around the Kano border in Nigeria. Reporters say they have killed several people, stole livestock and farming equipment, among others.
The World Health Organization WHO has reported 11 new Ebola cases in the Democratic Republic of Congo with a decreasing trend in recent weeks. Residents are advised to observe safety protocols to manage the situation.
Now, sports. In sports, Accra Hearts of Oak continued their unbeaten run in the 2025-2026 Ghana Premier League season. The Phobians are optimistic they will win the league at the end of the campaign. The last time the Phobians won the Premier League was in 2020-2021 league season under the coach Samuel Boadu. That is all for the news this afternoon. My name is Lodina Prekwamponsa together with
Frederica Inshapia and
Lorisha Boachidankwenimako.
We will be back tomorrow with more updates. Thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.
Okay, I'm David Yanko.
A tear from Mamaha about Opemsuo FM 104.7. And that day match be Sisaswa a Barcelona and Madrid home. Na Barcelona keepers I friend testation and I air damn no more benum or mudini bloody Kunde and 1 hour account. Then Fifi on so 1 hour bar more money than Omu and in Yanum. They bear new one swire, you will know one dossy and in Lami Yama. Now you're about where Madrid for players and then swire. You walked it, you were Kamavenga, Perdi. Dani Omo, and 1 hour home. Nay, Ben Fifi on swire or Tramani, Cavajad, and in Yanum, nay, Ben once why or clear mappy, any Vinicius Junior. I feel the ref in Abba Benim, a branch and dini clear mappy, a passive bonama Cavajad, Cavadada tobacco, Munu, me and Sandem Sudebi, a branch and dini Rodugo, a Babaja Bono, a branch and dini Kundi. Baba Jobono, or the Bonama Nina Fen Lami Yama so the man Newandosi, or Tobacco, Munu, Miansa, Wababoni Tintin, then to Debbie, keep a court to a Pubonoco, to say the Bonio go cake. I ever dear tia, where my dread for. The player Quaco Boa Momo, Nidin the Rafina to bonnet tin. I could see player and didn't no one dusty and Timanashi, keep a call to at Bono, see a bonio go cake. I everybody at Tia Barcelona for keep a call to a bonnet tin. I'm a player and didn't Vinicius Junior, so that I'm a clear mappy, or very dear new, or tobacco, Munu, Miansa, Nancy Derby, a branch and Dini Kundi. Baba Jobono, your head on Subaye, or Tobacco, Munu, Miansa, or the Monama Rafina to bear dear new, or Tobacco, Munu, Miansa, or the Bonama Lami Yama, and Timian Control Bono, a branch and Dini Vinicius Junior, Baba Jobono, or the many new friend clear mappy, mappe to bonnet tin, then to their beat, keep at that stage at Bono. See the Bonio go kick your body at Barcelona for, your body at Madrid for. Keep a cat staging, while to Bonama Banta and Dini Rafina bed dear no, or the Ama Danny Omo to the Ama Gavi bed dear new, but tobacco, Munu, Miansan and to there be a branch and Dini Vinicius Junior, while Jobono, then to bed dear new, about bonnet tin, then to there be a branch and Dini Vinicius. A branch and did testation were put bonaco, to say born your corner cake. I hear body at Barcelona for. Now a branch and did Vinicius Junior, on the Quago Bono, but Tambon the two were 2 bonnets in them to there be. Keep at testation, every at the bono, were really at the bono. You say, I don't know, what 2 bona my branch and did Gavi, a branch and did Gavi. Branch and did Gavin to Dama Perdi behead no, or the Bonama Lami Yama to the Ama Lewandowski, won't mean that she were partner so, a branch and did Vinicius Junior, aba beje ball no ode amenu ye fe no clear map hwe de ye kona wontimi hwe de ye kona wontimi ode ama kama venga nso de ama Belliam be de enu watwe baako nyonu miensa na nsu da bi abancha ndi lami yama baba beje ball no sisi ona ball ndi ni nema ode ball no ko baba ball no de amani nwa ye fe no ne Wandosti hwe de ye kona no suntimi ode ball na ma Rafina tu ball no tin na su wentumi kipa kotua opu ball na ko sisi ball ni throw ball branch ye fe no se ne kwa koto ball no ti omuhwe manima manya Rafina na kwa koto ball na sim Rafina de ama na dam for ye fe no Gavi nso be de enu watwe baako mienu miensa osade ama Rafina de ama Lami Yama nso de ama ne Wandoski wabobbo na sim eye go abantia ni dini ne Wandoski wabobbo na sim we finisse ball ni go eye offside assistant one say ball ni offside we fini kwa kohwe vaba wako obayo si ball ni go inti we ma de phone ba be pass abantia ndi di clear mapi ababo na ma Rafi ababo na ma Belliam be de no we hwe de ba na wontumi oda ma keeper courtois oda ma kama venga watwe baako mienu miensa oda ma clear mapi nso de ama Vinicius nso de ama Cavajad be de no watwe baako mienu miensa osade ama ni nwa efe ne clear mapi watwe baako mienu miensa ode ama Vinicius Junior abancha ndi Vinicius Junior watwe omamu wa chiro woni na afede aduru kipa no so kipa ka kejin onu so be de nu abobo na fanchen so kipa ka kejin ajebo no sisi ebo no go kick aye body eti Madrid for boni go kick aye body eti Madrid for kipa ka kejin abobo na tin abancha ndi Lami Yama ona bona baba di nsem e wo park no so o de abani nwa efe ni Wandoski ntu hwe de yaba na wontimi o de ama Rafina obedi enu hwe de yaba na onu suntimi o de ama Gavi nsu de amani nwa de ni dinde Dani Omo nsu de ama ne Wandoski apasa amani nwa ndi Lami Yama bobo na sim eye go I feel I'm about half time eye 2-0 na board no so 2-0 one I was saying in Wandoski and in you have Lami Yama see the about second half a branch and Vinicius Junior a pass bona ma kama venga nso de ama Belliam be de nu when suminsu a branch and Lami Yama aba beje ball no o de ama Rafina be de nu o de ama Dani Omo watwe baako nyonu miensa nensu wentumi a branch and Belliam aba beje ball no o de ball ne ko watwe baako nyonu miensa odi ama kama venga be di enu odi ama clear map abo na sim bo ni ye go fedie
ya da se bo no e go ni je se e 1-1 na 2-1 adena de bia mo pon ho ade yesi na nyi wante si ahwe proto e wante mo rekura na ate nya so den so te ana so se da na udu so beka e de ase ahye tene de ya de da ho yini aba ma minzima omba wa to trainer na ere na utini isu madam is better say you ya ni ko
if I tell I am shen wo phones
o show phone so o so te
Ashton
Okay. Yeah, Ashtown, the near Kwanwa. You will be doing come. Why? Okay. Yasom. Say I'm Paul, so Nusa. Only trainer, no one phone so. No, Chiasana Gunitrim. Or no, Asanso Fatano. You be a while, you don't know Sakura. But we dear Asano Fatano. Mamma Swaman, my idea. My idea cry. And I will be a more bit my challenge. Will be a more bit my challenge. Monamba Kamano. Meeting. Nana. And saying, Nana, be a different Ibrahim, son, friend. Basically, you for an osri. You can't go an osri. I won't be that. Any Adrian should be admission and a radical. A man for be do a sukuli. You trauma no reason seat and time. One basa. Busy. See, now almost say, cruise no ording, almost a whoop with my challenge, you know. Yeah, dear Marco. Yes, my dear. Yanko.
Hello everyone, welcome to the English Hour on Opemsuo Radio 104.7. My name is Claudina Preku, and today we are coming to look at the wrong expressions and their correct usage. Don't say and say. Don't say he is my tight friend. Say he is my close friend. Don't say I didn't do nothing. Say I didn't do anything. Don't say she sings good. Say she sings well. Don't say, I am traveled to Accra in a car. Say, I am traveled to Accra by car. Don't say, can you on the light? Say, can you turn on the light? Don't say, driver, I want to drop here. Say, driver, I want to get off here. Oh, I will alight here. Don't say, do you want milk in your tea? Say, do you want some milk in your tea? Don't say, don't interfere in this matter. Say, don't intervene in this matter. Don't say, he played the guitar in an hour. Say, he played the guitar for an hour. Don't say, I am going to the salon to cut my hair. Say, I am going to the salon to have my hair cut. Don't say, I am not good in mathematics. Say, I am not good at mathematics. Don't say, I cannot be able to see you now. Say, I cannot see you now. Thank you.
That's papa. Don't and don't. That's it. I mean, some I stand no bar tobo in 1111. Yet, you know, good team on happy passo. And all can prosonic for my idea, which some of fun idea. Come up, I did try and he said, oh, be Sembiano. Into Mumre, now I'm from the enemy to Jack. The last performance, I wonder, and so man come here, watch him, Macani. Say, Jabea, next time. Uncle Fasim, the Amremi. You see, I'm tired, I'm Romani. Now I'm afraid I'm a cherry, said it. You see, can't and forward. But on one away. Okay, I mean, me now. Mammy, patch on more car, baby. I want to sing. June. Then I will mind young boy.
Hello, tech lovers. Welcome back to 1 Minute Tech, where we learn one tech word at a time to grow smarter every day. I am Asantuaya Inshuraba, a grade 7 student from Apostolic Golden Jubilee School, and we are live on Opemsuo 104.7 FM. Today's tech word of the day is cloud computing. And no, it is not about the clouds in the sky. Definition: cloud computing simply means using the internet to store, access and manage your data or application instead of keeping them only on your computer or phone. Think of it like this: instead of saving all your photos on your laptop, you save them on Google Drive, MS OneDrive or iCloud, so you can open them anywhere, anytime from any devices. That is cloud computing in action. How it works: when you use cloud computing, your data lives in a huge data centers owned by companies like Amazon, AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. These centers of computers have thousands of computers working together, keeping your files safe, secure and accessible through the internet. Real life example. 1. When you stream a music from Spotify or YouTube, you are using the cloud. 2. When you edit a document from Google Docs, you are using the cloud. 3. When a school stores a student's results online, that is cloud computing too. Even apps like Zoom, Netflix, and YouTube rely on cloud technology every single day. Benefit: the cloud has made life easier because you can 1. Access your data anywhere. 2. Save space on the device. 3. Collaborate with others in real time. 4. Keep your information safe with backup. Conclusion: so next time, if someone mentions cloud, remember, it is not in the sky. It is your digital storage. It is your digital storage space on the internet. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Tech Read of the Day from 1 Minute Tech. Thank you.
Fry and Bachawari. Yeah, only sits now. I said, the only afausi. It's about relationship. Okay, don't tell me on the Bibisa. What Bibisa? Son, I'm telling you on the one I tried the Bacho Debbie. Then I'm calling Munya. And the Aquani say, your baby be a conqueror about one. Your back classes. Okay, and you will be a neighbor. Okay, and I'm assuming I stand head. Oh, yo. Yes, Abiba. Yes, I'm a lady. And I'm out home last 2 weeks. As I home and then so no. Much wine. So, intra. Don't tell me I'm a yeah, can't say no additional no more from a muya and a yanisa. Omoyadi. But also, Mati. My assistant said more yard. So you have to push it. Some material nature say. But you will be a betchiano. Okay. Mecha school. Penny I friend elder Emmanuel Nimo. Our headmaster. Na message ya Madame Patricia, our school beza. You. Messia Sir Frank. Ona many or more a trinium. On the biano. Obamia eja. The cabo entering Gaka Cadibia, no much chacha for you now, Apostolic Golden Jubilee. Yati, Sir Ski, Radin Shroud, Nano Yemo, no secret admire, my phone so, and so, when say me, in the many dinner that, when say nano technology no about that. I just say, I nika. I know Cosiada, I know Koye, you know, and some Ketua. Near my friend, thank you, ya go for the admission. Only the end, the Okwahana Hana Tinibu. Only the end, Papa B. Mood effect will be bisa. Say, man, I wait free him. I just say, I am go forfeit. Na sanction I mean so. I'm a fair ye customer. I'm a fair ye papa. When you are you make a choice say you are on show, not on to quantum. Watch me say, when you're just secret, no moon, to me, I didn't know, and I'm Crystal shouting. Rosemary, a jiwa, Manajiwa, or a doom out on tone. Roberts, I would watch as a the young crying say. Robert Fufu ya ni ata muso eti edigu ko ma se ko mam ya tini nyina asema ko bona ma na SMPB ni nyina no o de brem se memfa enyeme yi intimese adofo onipa wa adwempa dia na so yeboa no omo nkonko tobi fu kama omo tu ntubi anko tobi na onyeska bibiri na chese owuma awade na eba na party bia Rosemary name birthday na ke ya pi me dem me kwa na to kwa ya toton ama baby an so kama eski you want show adofo bia ba so bia no ye me kan say wade nyo kese mani so papa although e bin si da you bi da say that age, but any pa no, I think say you were there.
Yeah.
And surprising. Yes, I'm ketwa. And nyam karade. Na nsuni ntwa yewie abuwana wo fianza. Nsuni ntwa yewie bibia 7 na nsuo no ajegum 2 days ni nyina. Nsuni ntwa 7 na ajegum. Shows how wonderful. Good. Ewade nyankopon ni yedi. Nti yede nyame ase. Nyame nhyira mu nyina. Nyame nhyira mu nyina. Nyame nhyira obechia obi. Maame o Abidjan kwanta.
Maame o Abidjan kwanta
obaba
ajubi. Nti na nsumu de beta to na no me menda chichire. Mama ba chichire ebe chichire mama fatire ni nyina na me enhyiramu na yenua be man so mo no baby entina. TSK free Ghana mechia St. Anne's for ni nyina me students wa oti me ka bia mechia.
Okay.
Na finally no addition especially freshers no ma call senior high school no. The omusia dia ese unya direction ese omuye focus ese omuye objective yes usia no anyhow ese target baby na wesua the next day no focus so na bully no so amudu bully nkola no munyai na muncheche bibia
ya da se bully ni ehia chicha papa we say say unya information ni bi we ko beba na aka bosa source ni na obi ba na afa ni wa wonso maame edo kono ma obi dia na odi obi die enye fe ya jai why na me aduma Amoawisi mbetime nka bi ma na o chanya gba na pa nsia nsunso de kono a bonse mi guso amekasa ewa ha enti nyame onhyira obi biara